Good morning, students. Today we discuss the potentiometer. It is the last topic of the chapter potentiometer. Potentiometer, it is a device. It is a device which used to. It is a device which used to measure the potential difference. Measure the potential difference accurately. Potential difference accurately. Potentiometer is a device which used to measure the potential difference accurately. It is a basically a 400-meter wire stretched on a wooden board. In the potentiometer, we consider a 400 centimeter. We can say 0 to 100, then use a copper strip, 100 to 200, then use copper strips, 300, and copper strips used in this process, and 400. We consider a 400 centimeter wire in length across which is a standard cell. Across which is a standard cell. We connect a standard cell. This portion is A and this portion is B. We consider 400 centimeter. First point is A, where value is 0 centimeter. B is where value is wire of 400 centimeter. 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400. In this, we connect A and B point by the battery. We use battery. We use battery, ammeter, positive, negative. Firstly, the battery is positive, then negative. A point is connected with positive terminal and B point is connected with negative terminal. And one rheostat. Rheostat is a device. Rheostat, what do you mean by rheostat? Rheostat is a device which is used to variable resistance. This type, in this lab, this type equipment is rheostat. Rheostat is a device which is used to variable resistance, where we use variable resistance. The value of resistance changes. Okay? Which is standard cell is connected. Standard cell is connected, ammeter is connected, and a rheostat is connected. This is the auxiliary circuit. This is called the auxiliary circuit. Now, the potentiometer is what is the work of the potentiometer? Firstly, principle. What principle is this potentiometer? In this potentiometer, firstly, the wire is uniform cross-section area. The wire is uniform cross-section area and uniform current is flowing through this circuit. We know that V is equals to IR. We know that V is equals to IR. V, what do you mean by V? Potential difference. I, current, R, resistance. V is equals to IR. If R is the resistance, I is the current, V is the potential. A battery given the V potential and uniform area of cross-section wire I, we connect the I with the help of rheostat. We constant the current. Constant the current, it means we current is given to the constant. Constant means fixed. Okay. The wires of A to B at the small vertical portion are the thick metal strips. These portion are thick metal strips are connected. This is a copper strips. Copper strip is used because it is a negligible resistance. Copper strip is used because it is a negligible resistance. Copper strips are okay. A current flows through wire is I. Consider current is I, current is flow. Variable resistance is used to constant the current with uniform cross section area. Uniform area of cross section is used and variable resistance, then it gives the constant current. Okay, since the wire is uniform, potential difference between A and point difference is A. Now we put one voltmeter. We consider at point A, we connect a voltmeter. Voltmeter, then it is connected with jockey. Here is a meter scale, 0, 50, 100. A meter scale is placed parallel to the wire. This meter scale helps the value of measurement. It means at this point we calculate 100 plus 80, 180 with the help of this scale. Okay, this scale is used for measurement. This scale is used for measurement. This scale is used for measurement. Now, firstly, V is equals to. Firstly, we describe the principle. Principle, according to potentiometer principle, says that the fall of potential is directly proportional. The fall of potential is directly proportional to the length of the wire. The fall of potential is directly proportional to the length of the wire. Fall means, now this is the voltmeter. We connect the jockey. If the jockey is placed at point A, and firstly jockey is placed at point A and secondly at point B. We noted that the voltmeter at point A, the maximum potential is given. Why? This positive potential. The battery is connected at this. At other points, the value of resistance is increases. We know that the length of the wire is increased, the potential will decrease. The length of the wire is increased, the potential decrease. According to this principle, the fall of potential is directly proportional to the length of the wire. The potentiometer says that, the potentiometer principle says that the fall of potential is directly proportional to the length of the wire. Okay? We can say that V is directly proportional to L. The fall of potential is directly proportional to L. Okay, write the V is directly proportional to L. V is equals to KL. K means potential gradient. K means potential gradient. K is called potential gradient. It is called potential gradient. The value of K is equals to V by. This is the potential gradient. V is directly proportional to L. We remove the proportional symbol. We consider a constant term. Constant term is called K. KL. K is called potential gradient. The value of K is V by L. The value of potential is K is V by L. Potential drop, K is also called potential drop per unit length. Potential drop per unit length. Potential drop per unit length. This is the value to find out the value. K. Okay. Shown an app. Now, this is the potentiometer. It is a device which is used to measure the potential difference accurately. 400 centimeters wires, 400 centimeter wire. Firstly, we connect the voltmeter. Voltmeter is now value. Find out the value. At point A, the potential is maximum. At point B, is potential is minimum. Now we we move the jockey. With the move the jockey, we note that the value of potential is decreases. The fall of potential is directly proportional to the length of the wire. The fall of potential is directly proportional to the length of the wire. Now, the applications. First application. This is the potentiometer principle. In this potentiometer, another word is linked. Right. First, the circuit. First, we connect the 400 centimeter wire on a wooden board stretched. A parallel 100 centimeter scale is placed. First, connected at point A and B, we connect the three resistance. First, three appliances. First is battery. The value of battery is E. Another is ammeter, and third one is rheostat. It is connected in series. It is connected in series. Then a rheostat. We can say about the rheostat. So rheostat is a device which is used to variable resistance. Rheostat is a device which is used to variable resistance. Then connected, it can say that first the uniform area of cross-section wire and constant current is flowing. Variable resistance is changed it. Then we connected potentiometer. Then we connected voltmeter and jockey. Jockey, note the value. Jockey is used to conduct the current. Jockey complete the circuit. Conduction is provided by the jockey. Conduction is provided by the jockey. This is the auxiliary circuit, and then we can say that V is directly proportional to L, and V is equal to K. K is the potential gradient. Potential gradient, the value of K is V by L. K is the potential drop per unit length. This is the potentiometer. Okay, this is the potentiometer. This is the potential. Now, another application. I can update first application.
सर सर केमिस्ट्री क्लास का लिंक भेजना सर वो उसमें सर का मैसेज तो आता है ग्रुप पे कि ज्वाइन एट 11:20 सर, लेकिन सर उसका लिंक नहीं आता सर।
केमिस्ट्री क्लास लगती कहाँ पे है
सर ग्रुप में सर वीडियोस तो आते हैं सर के।
I don't know this.
सर आपने सर रिमूव क्यों करते सर आपने वीडियो सर यूट्यूब पे से?
Okay, today we deliver this video again.
सर वो सारे वीडियो डाल देना सर, पहले वाले भी।
Okay.
कल मैं देख रहा था सर, मेरे को मिले नहीं सर वो यूट्यूब पे।
Okay. My channel is Himanshu Bhutani. You can watch it.
यस सर।
Okay. Now application. Firstly, application is comparing of EMF. Comparing of EMF. Comparing of EMF means we connect two batteries. One battery is this, and another battery is this. The value of battery is E, this battery is E, and another battery is E1 and second E2. Firstly, we connect first or second. Here we put a galvanometer. Galvanometer is a device which is used to detect the current. Galvanometer device है which do used to detect the current. First, 1 number, 2 number, and 3 number. A 3 number is connected to 1. A 3 number, firstly, in step 1, first we connect a 3 number wire to 1 number. A 3 number wire is connected to 1 number. Then it is connected. We can find the galvanometer shows zero deflection. We can find the galvanometer shows zero deflection. We can say that L1 length is placed where galvanometer shows zero deflection. Okay? Then we can say that V is equals to KL1, or we can say that E1, battery is E1, where potential gradient is K, L1 is a length. This is the first equation. Step number 2, we connect the 3 to 2. Firstly, we connect E1 battery. Secondly, we connect the E2 battery. Then step 2, E2 is equals to KL2. E2, the value of E2 is KL2, where L2 is the point where the galvanometer shows zero deflection. So E2 is equals to KL2. This is the second equation. And dividing by first by second. Dividing equation first by second. We can say that E1 is equals to KL1, E2 by KL2. Firstly divide by K से K कटा. Then the value is E1 by E2 is the equal to L1 by L2. This is the comparing of two EMFs. Compare the two EMFs. Okay. This is the applications. First we describe the potentiometer and second describe the equation. Okay.